Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Personal Improvement with Sooraj. Today's video is in fact a curtain raiser for this channel, which I have captioned, Find Your Fire. Today I'd like to talk about resolutions, New Year resolutions, and there is no better time than just before the New Year to talk about resolutions, is there? Now the best thing about the New Year is that when we move out of one year and welcome in a new year, it is such an awesome experience. And considering what the year 2020 has been, yay, we made it, didn't we? Now think about it. December 31st, moving into January 1st, it might seem like any other ordinary day, right? For the more practical people, they might even ask, what's the big deal? It's just a new day. Now, they might have a point over there, but for the rest of us, this is indeed a wonderful experience. It is not something that we would like to miss, is it? Staying up till midnight, that countdown, the crackers and fireworks and the celebrations. Yes, we are doing it with an intention, because all around the world, one thing we have to accept is that there is this universal feeling of newness. Everybody feels that when we move into a new year, there is something new happening, and this is the best time to start afresh. This feeling on New Year's Eve creates an urge that's past all the festivities, of course. It creates an urge within us to emerge as better people, to pick up a few good habits, to drop a few habits that are not so good, to improve, to change, to turn over a new leaf. So this feeling is what inspires us to take those New Year resolutions, and that's exactly what I'm talking about today. Now the resolutions that we take, I'm sure that you would also accept what I'm staking right now as a claim. We're all good at making resolutions. The problem happens in the implementation parts. After a few days, after a few weeks in fact, the effort wanes and we find ourselves back on square one. Right? Now today onwards, I would like to regularly post videos starting January 1st, which will help us to take some changes in our life, not just in the resolving part, but also in the implementation part. Each week we'll be posting a video, hopefully, where we'll be talking about a range of topics like developing willpower, overcoming procrastination, managing our time better, getting more organized in life, bringing out the best in ourselves. And this is going to be my New Year resolution, to regularly upload and post videos on YouTube on personal improvement. I hope that you will be with me in this, and you will also follow this channel, and we will together talk about these topics, and together we'll aim to emerge as better people in the year 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my first video, which I hope to post on the 1st of January itself. So here's wishing you a happy new year in advance. Cheers.